Look at these gorgeous, fluffy, and super soft idlis. These are not the authentic, time consuming ones, rather, these are the instant ones, and yet they taste absolutely delicious and authentic. Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to my channel Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I'm gonna start off with taking 2 cups of semolina or suji, followed by half cup of yogurt or curd. Now add some water and mix everything together to make a nice and thick batter. There we go. Now cover it and let it rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Also, here I've put some water to boil in my idli steamer. Now meanwhile, I'm gonna nicely grease all my idli steaming plates. I have 5 of them and I'm gonna nicely apply oil on each of them. There we go. Alright guys, so as you can see our batter is also nicely soaked and is almost ready. So here I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt. This is Eno fruit salt. Also add some common salt. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of water and activate it and then quickly mix everything together. And here look how nicely our water has also started to boil. So now I'm gonna transfer the batter into the idli molds. Fill one mold of the plate with one ladle full of batter. And once you are done with this process, very carefully transfer all the plates in the idli steamer. Now place the lid of the steamer and let it steam for around 15 to 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, when you will open the lid, you will see nice and fluffy, absolutely gorgeous idlis in front of you. So that's it guys, need not to wait any further now. I'm gonna immediately take them out in a plate and enjoy with some yummy sambar and couple of chutneys by the side. Please comment below and let me know if you guys want the recipes of sambar and the chutneys as well. Try making these instant idlis at your homes and you're gonna love it. Thank you for today. This is Soumya signing off. See you soon. Bye bye.